Welcome to all. Today we'll discuss set operation when three overlapping sets are there. We'll take a numerical example and also we'll represent them in Venn diagram and verify the formula. Let us take a numerical example. Let universal set be x such that x is a positive integer and x is less than or equal to 20. This is our universal set. Let a be x such that x is a prime number. Okay, prime number. Next, b another set will take x such that x is some multiple of 3 will take. Multiple of 5 I will take. Next, c x such that x is odd number I will take. Okay. First, let us list the elements in each set. Prime numbers from 1 to 20. What are the prime numbers? It will have exactly two factors. 1 and the number itself. Like 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. No need to go further because less than 20 they want. Next, multiples of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, enough. You can't go more than that. Odd numbers we want. Odd numbers means 1, 3, 7, no, 5 is missing. 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19. They are the odd numbers. Okay, we can, now we have to write the other things and then we can represent them in Venn diagram also. Okay, Venn diagram if you want to represent universal set, we'll take a rectangular box. Okay, next 3 sets are there, no? A we will take here. Okay, next B I will take here. C I will take here. A, B, C. 3 sets I took. Okay, how to represent them in that we'll see. First see, better you take this region. This region is, that means it will be there in all 3 sets. That means that is nothing but A intersection B intersection CC. Which element is there? Which is prime, multiple of 5 and odd number. Only one is there, that is 5. So here you write 5. Okay. Next, what and all we can write? Next, A intersection C or A intersection B you write. Okay, next I will take B here. A, B, C. Next, A intersection B. A intersection B means which are prime and multiple of 5. 5 is there, prime and multiple of 5. Only 5 is common in A and B. So here there will be no elements. Here what it will represent means, it will represent this region. This will represent A intersection B but not C. Prime and multiple of 5 but not odd number. We do not have such numbers, so it will be empty set. This region. Okay, we are not bothered about that. Next we'll come to B and C. B intersection C, that means multiple of 5 and odd numbers. Multiple of 5 and odd numbers, 5, 15 only, no? Remaining are even, no? 5, 15. So here 5, 15 will write. Already you wrote 5. So here we need to write 15. This singleton element is there. B intersection C, which is multiple of 5 and odd number but not prime. Okay. A intersection C but not A. Intersection A dash I wrote. Okay, now B intersection C is over. Suppose in some word problem they may give like this. Okay, next we will see A and C, which are prime and odd numbers. See, all prime numbers are odd numbers except these two. So remaining things you can write. 3, 5 will be there, 7 will be there, 11, 13, 17, 19. 7, 5, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. A intersection C also we wrote. We can write their cardinal number and we can verify, we can get the formula also. Okay, we'll write the cardinal. First we'll finish this, then we'll go there. Here 5 already wrote. Remaining things we have to write. That is 3, 5 we wrote, 7, next 11, 13, 17, 19. So here from this order we'll write. It will be nice. 3, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. Total 6 are there. These are what we can say here. A intersection C, which are prime and odd numbers, but not multiple of 5. That means B dash. We can write like that. Okay, next C. Here cardinal numbers we can write and we can find the formula. Before that we will complete this Venn diagram. Okay, what is this? Tell me. This is elements in A only, but not in B or not in C. Like this also we can write. A intersection B complement intersection C complement, like that we can write. Or we can write like this also. A minus B union C. That means elements in A but not B and C. Okay, like that number. We want prime number only but not multiple of 5 or odd number. Only one possibility is 2. 2 is the only even prime number. That is the counter example C. All prime numbers are odd numbers except 2. 2 is the even prime number. That is over. Next here, what we want? B only. That is B minus A intersection C. That means we want multiple of 5 only. They should not be prime or odd numbers. That is 10 and 20. Next, elements in C only. I don't want prime numbers or multiple of 5. I want only odd numbers. That means which is that? Here see 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19 are prime numbers. Remaining things you see. Even 15 also we wrote here. So 1 and 9. 1 is neither prime nor composite. Okay, 9, see 9 not prime number and it is not multiple of 5. So it is only odd number. So it came here. So we have completed the table. A union B union C only we have completed. Okay, that also you can write. A union B union C we can write. What and all elements are there you see. We can start with how many elements are there, cardinal number, that is enough. Okay, we will write that also. 2, 3, 5, 4 is not there. So 4 what it will be? It will be outside see. 4, 5 is there. 6 is not there because it is not prime, not multiple of 5, not odd number. 7 prime number it will be here. 7. 8 is not there. 8 will come outside. Next 9 is there. 10 is there. 11 is there. 12 you see, 12 will not be there because even composite number it is. 13 is there, prime number. 14 also it is not there I think. 14, 16 will not be there. Remaining things will be there. 15. Next 16 also, here 16 will come outside. 12, 14, 16. Next 17 is there. Next 18 is also, 18 will also be outside. Okay, somewhere here. 18, 19 is here. And 20 is also there. So total how many elements? Cardinal numbers will write. See. Cardinal number n of A. How many elements are there in A? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 are there. Cardinal number of B. How many multiples are there? Multiples of 5 less than 24 are there. N of C. How many odd numbers are there? 20 numbers. 10 odd will be there. 10 remaining 10 even. So 10. Here how many elements are there in A intersection B intersection C? That means only one element is there. Here number of elements in A intersection B. Here also 1. In number of elements in B intersection C, 2. Number of elements in A intersection C, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of elements in A union B union C you see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 13 will be there, no? 2, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 5. Any number we are missing? 2, 3, 5 we wrote. 7 we wrote. 6 is not there. 1 we missed. So totally 13 elements are there. Okay, why 13 I guessed? No, here see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 20 minus 7, remaining elements will be there in A union B union C. These 7 elements are there. Where means how we can say that these 7 elements? What about this? They are in universal set but not in A union B union C. You can tell A union B union C whole complement. Okay, neither in A nor in B nor in C. Okay, those elements are 7 are there. See, 4, 6, 8, 12, 14, 16, 18. These numbers are neither prime nor multiple of 5 nor odd numbers. Okay. See, now we will verify. We'll try to get a important formula. Number of elements in A union B union C. Like this, every time we cannot do. It is numerical example, so we are able to list all the elements and we can find the cardinal number. Sometimes they will give only cardinal number. Okay. So then what we have to do? How to get the important formula? Here see, number of elements in A union B union C we have to find. For that, how to get that? First you add number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C. Okay, you are adding all the elements. From that we have to reduce the common elements. That is number of elements in A intersection B, number of elements in B intersection C, number of elements in A intersection C you reduce. This is how much? 8, 4, 10. 8 plus 4 plus 10 minus A intersection B 1, 2, 7. B intersection C is 2. A intersection C is 7. See here, if you add how much it is? This is 22. 22 minus this is 10. 22 minus 10, 12. 12 elements only means you are not getting A union B union C. Why? Because no, this we have reduced one more time. So we need to add this. Okay, we need to add number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Then what you are going to get? Add all positive numbers 23. Add all negative numbers minus 10. So 13. So this will give number of elements in A union B union C. This is very important formula. Number of elements in A union B union C is number of elements in A plus number of elements in B plus number of elements in C. And you have to reduce number of elements in A intersection B, number of elements in B intersection C, number of elements in A intersection C. Finally, you have to add number of elements in A intersection B intersection C. Okay, very important formula. If you memorize this, you can solve any word problem. Thanks for watching.